So, good morning again, Len.
Hey,
So, you have some thoughts and ideas about education and technology, and maybe there's some new directions that schools can take when it comes to that.
yeah, absolutely. I think that when the students are in learning about networking and technology today, they're largely focused on next generation architecture, voice over IP, things like that. And the goal is to train young bodies that go out, young minds that go out, and they can work in
Right.
a realistic environment like a Bell Canada, like a TELUS, like a Rogers. And realistically, when they get out there, if you would go and talk to any of these carriers, a lot of their headaches really revolve around that 80% of the install base. So their network, the older portion of it, the legacy stuff, that requires constant maintenance and upkeep. And when we're training these young minds, we need to focus, in my opinion, more on that older technology, because realistically, if you think about where the problems are, what's stranded, what's going to be harder to maintain, it all revolves around that legacy equipment.
Do you find, though, that it's hard to convince young people that really want to do the latest and greatest and, well, no, I don't really want to go back and spend my career, doing repair and maintenance for stuff that's already installed?
I think that with the young minds, they go out there and technology is kind of overwhelming, and it's all, especially if you're into it, it's all encompassing. And when I was young, I used to do mechanics. You could bring me an old car, I'd like it just as
Right.
much as a new car, for different reasons, right? But I think that when we've had co-op students, or when we've gone out and talked to some of the younger people that are going through, they're very happy to be focused on the older technology, the newer technology. I think that really where the jobs lie for them is not only in making the future, but also in supporting the past as well.
Well, thank you so much, Len.
Yep.